10 steps to hit your first million flipping homes. Number 1, educate yourself. Begin by immersing yourself in real estate education. Attend seminars, read books, and follow reputable blogs. Understanding the fundamentals, market trends, and potential pitfalls is crucial. Number 2, set clear goals. Specify your financial objectives clearly. Determine the profit margin you aim for per property and the total number of houses you plan to flip to reach your $1 million goal. Number 3, create a budget. Develop a meticulous budget that covers all potential costs, including property acquisition, renovation, and holding expenses. Factor in unexpected contingencies to ensure financial preparedness. Number 4, build a network. Establish relationships with key players in the real estate industry. Connect with real estate agents, contractors, and other investors. Attend local real estate events to expand your network. Number 5, find profitable properties. Conduct thorough market research to identify areas with growth potential. Look for distressed properties or those undervalued in comparison to the neighborhood. Analyze market trends to make informed decisions. Number 6, negotiate smartly. Develop negotiation skills through practice and learning from experienced negotiators. Understand the seller's motivations and be patient in securing favorable deals. Negotiate not just the property purchase, but also renovation costs. Number 7, plan renovations wisely. Collaborate with contractors and architects to create a renovation plan that maximizes value. Prioritize upgrades that appeal to potential buyers, focusing on kitchens, bathrooms, and curb appeal. Number 8, market effectively. Craft a comprehensive marketing strategy for each property. Utilize professional photography, staging, and online platforms to showcase your flips. Host open houses to attract potential buyers and create buzz. Number 9, monitor expenses. Implement robust expense tracking systems to monitor every dollar spent. Regularly review your budget and adjust as necessary to avoid overspending. Seek cost-effective solutions without compromising quality. Number 10, repeat and scale. Once you've successfully flipped a property and made a profit, reinvest those funds into your next project. As you gain experience and accumulate profits, gradually scale up your operations, taking on larger projects and diversifying your portfolio. So, did you find the video helpful? If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And if you need a tool to find your ideal property, this tool has got you covered. It's all you'll ever need. It simplifies the analysis and comparison of investment properties, estimates profits, and reveals the top real estate deals. So if you're considering buying any property, make sure to tap into the power of this software. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.